Watch me repair up to 100% more hair damage. New Pantene Bond Repair Treatments with millions of pro-vitamin molecules. It helps build hair damage immunity, repairing up to 100% more damage from first wash. New Pantene Bond Repair Treatments.
Di pa yan, Slay Girl! Fit check, Baya! Naku, nakakahiya kong kulong.
Pero, bakit may mabango?
Kahit makapal, kahit tuyo sa loob, perfume bango all day.
Di mo pa natatry, no?
Mang Inasal Pork Barbecue. Expertly grilled for that smoky, sweet sarap ng juicy lambot. Kaya swabe ang kagat.
Bibili na yan. 99 lang.
Ang Monday, nagiging manhid day. Tuesday, tusok-tusok day. Wednesday, nerve pain day. Pabalik-balik na lang.
Try Neurobion. It's 4 times B12 versus a generic brand. Helps repair nerve damage from the source so symptoms don't bother you again. Neurobion.
ASAP in England! Get ready to be part of the iconic ASAP 30 homecoming celebration with our finest music icons. Party with our total performers. The hottest love teams, global champions, Kapamilya Heartthrobs, and Vice Ganda! August 30, 2025 at the BP Pulse Live, Birmingham. ASAP in England! Brought to you by Sunsilk.
Nagtiwala ako sa'yo!
Umaga pa lang, amoy pawis ka na.
Mag-Tide na! Sa iba, tinatakpan lang kasi ng bango ang hindi pa talaga nalilinis. Pero sa Tide, tagos ang linis. Tide, tagos linis. Kaya true bango.
Our mood is to dance in the mood to take a chance. Yan ang bawat food match and make light with your mood. A food mo high five, basta light, get it everywhere. And get into the light, life, and make light.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of Provitamin from Pantene. Formula with Provitamin B5 strengthens hair and helps build hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Amoy baby girl.
Amoy hardworking. Sipag, ah. Ang babaw niyo naman. Kala ba yan? Yes. Amoy good vibes. Amoy kala, amoy good vibes.
Lumawak na ang coverage. Luminaw panalo ang mapapanood nyo. Ang All TV, wala nang labo-labo. Nationwide na, HD pa. Luzon, Visayas, at Mindanao. Ang laki na ng sinasakupan. Ang ganda pa ng signal. Enjoy at nood na sa All TV.
We're bigger, louder, and prouder this time around. Welcome, camper!
Feelings will be out in the open. Secrets will be revealed.
Sorry, Mama and Papa.
And our campers will have the chance to test their sparks.
If I could give you my spark every day, I would. Ito yung pwedeng mangyari. Hindi to panaginip.
If you think we're doing things the same way again, nagkakamali kayo. There's more surprises.
Pops the drama! Kaya ko ng gantong gulo. Sobrang pasabog. Parang finale na eh. I wanna know more of your conversations last night.
Trying to steal my man.
Manloloko ka. Yun yung plot twist this season.
Okay. Gusto ko na siya makadate.
Lala girl. Talaga ang lala. Hala, gulo-gulo na.
Smart Scam Season 2.
Let's bring the fun this tag-ulan.
Sigurado kong matutuwa yung mga yun.
Kayang-kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa.
Kaibigan kita eh.
Kasi kahit anumang hamon ang ibato ng mundo,
walang iwanan.
Cheers to that.
Hindi nagpapatalo sa anumang delubyo.
Grabe!
Andito na ang superhero!
Dito sa Jeep.
Anong alahas ang kadalasang sinusuot sa tenga? Mami Ali?